Let's see what we got cooking up today. Anyways, y'all know what's going on, man. Air Force Ones, that is.
What's up, YouTube? What it do? So before I get started with this video, I got one question. Did y'all miss me or what? Here I am. I'm back with another video customizing shoes, right? That's what y'all been wanting, right? You subscribed, right? If not, this is what I need you to do. Please click that button. And oh yeah, 3 more things. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most definitely enjoy the video. Let's get started with this custom, baby.
These are the supplies you will be needing: acetone, E6000 glue, cotton balls, and iron-on butterflies. And I forgot to put it in the video, but you will also need your V-Lone stencils. Step 1 would be to acetone your shoes lightly so the paint will adhere to the surface. Now it is time to place your V-Lone stencils onto the shoe so you can get ready to paint over it. The video isn't over, but my voice is about to be. We will lay about 3 to 4 coats to get full coverage. Follow my steps throughout the video, do what I do, and you will be alright. Don't leave just yet. Wait a minute. Don't leave just yet. Wait a minute.